Hello everyone, today we have a Suzuki Cultus in the garage. The owner is complaining about a tapping sound from the engine and a drop in fuel efficiency. To fix this, we are going to perform a precision tappet adjustment and a spark plug service. Let's get to work. First, we start by clearing the workspace. I'm disconnecting the high-tension leads from the spark plugs. It's important to inspect these wires for any cracks or carbon buildup. Next, using a spark plug T-wrench, I'm removing the plugs one by one. By looking at the tip of the plug, we can tell if the engine is running lean or rich. Once the plugs are out, I use a ratchet and socket to carefully loosen the bolts on the valve cover. We need to remove this cover to get to the tappets. With the valve cover off, we can see the rocker arms and valves. I am using a feeler gauge to measure the gap between the rocker arm and the valve stem. If it's too loose, it causes that tapping noise. If it's too tight, it can burn the valves. We carefully adjust the clearance to the manufacturer's exact specifications. Tightening the lock nuts to secure them in place. Now that everything is perfectly adjusted, we put the valve cover back on, ensuring the gasket is seated correctly to prevent any oil leaks. Then, we reinstall the spark plugs and connect the HT leads back in their proper firing order. Another successful repair. Thanks for watching.